Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have this Voukad and it is a body hair trimmer. So you can trim your body, you can trim your privates, whatever you want. So let's check this thing out and see what it looks like. Oops, oh no, I did it upside down and everything fell out. Okay, I got it. Okay, so box empty, everything is in here now. So must read before using. So it says, just to trim safely, don't trim through particles or bumps, don't trim inflamed skin, don't trim with blade side up. So kind of explains some of the do's and don'ts. And then here is the, well, I'll show you what I have in my hands that I picked up off the floor. So this one here is a USB to USB-C charger, so that is good. It's got some lubrication liquid, and then we have the little clean out for it. And then this is the device here. And here is the charging stand. So it looks like it can charge. Let me open this up. So you can plug the little USB-C into this thing here and have this permanently on your counter, and then this will fit into it like that. Or it looks like you just plug the USB-C directly into that. And then, so you push the button to make it go. And then here it comes with the little device, and I guess this is how you'll set your length. So let's try it out here. So let's put it in here. Sorry, I'm a little bit working against the lights shining in my eyes. So okay, so I've put the little top on, and so you can see, and then you do this, and then it'll kind of shave it there. However, to get it up, I'm not going to shave. I'm not going to show you guys me shaving, but then it looks like this here. Here, let me turn off the power. Yeah, so you can get a little bit longer and shorter of a shave. So depending on how tight you like it, like this one here would be pretty short. Like if you were shaving your chest hairs or something like that, you would leave some kind of stubble. Or actually, it might be pretty tight on there. That might be a really close one. And then this one here, I'll give you a little bit of length. So pretty cool. So nice little device, and it's nice and feels kind of rubbery stuff in it here. It's got the little light on it there, so if somebody else is doing it for you, or I guess if you're doing it for yourself, you can kind of see what's going on. So cute little shaving device here. I kind of like this. And you got all your different lengths. So this is it here, and then it's nice and compact and convenient, and you just stick it on the charger, can have it on your counter, and no one's going to know exactly what it's for. They'll just see a shaver. So pretty cool. And this one here, they call it the groin trimmer, so you can trim down there. But let me see if I'm missing anything. Don't think I am. So, and then taking it off, it looks like it's pretty easy. It's just sliding it back out again. So it slides, this thing slides on and off. So if you need to get it off to clean it or whatever. And then you got your little brush to clean it with. So super cool. I like this. Thumbs up.